We build for the future. The great market.
Hungry, we can talk and say I'm hungry. When you're thirsty for water, you can say I'm thirsty. That the farmer is supposed to follow. Us, at the Department of Soil Science,
What are you making here?
So here, we convert fuel motorcycles to electric. This one is fuel electric. It can move 175 km.
Distilled and manufactured distillation, get biopetrol, diesel, and kerosene. This is designed by the team. By the
and the liters, once I press 5 liters, dispense at 5 liters, and at the day, end of the day, it's the same.
So you break it in smaller pieces, and the rest of water passing to go through, you have removed almost everything.
So how does it work on just
From north and south, all market, market.
In the interest of time, we have been told that you have another event after this. We will try to make our remarks very brief. And I will now call upon the chairperson of council to come and welcome you, who will then invite the chancellor.
There goes His Excellency, the research agenda of Makerere, the university student leadership. Yes, what a momentous occasion.
we had men, we had women, we had all human types. But where we lagged behind was in science and technology. It's not that we didn't know science, because we had some steps. Even Mr. Kaguta was quite a bit of a scientist, my father. And all the villagers, they had some science. But we lagged behind. And that was where the problem was. Therefore, right from the beginning, the NRM saw that this was one of the major bottlenecks
for the progress of Uganda and Africa, and the survival of the African people. Some of the people who lagged behind disappeared, who lagged behind in science and technology. And their countries were taken by other people. The global anti-colonial movement gathered momentum. That's how Kenya was saved, that's how Zimbabwe was saved, that's how South Africa has been saved. So therefore, the argument I had with some people, why do you pay scientists a bit better before you pay the others? And even earlier, I had directed that government sponsorships at the universities, 70% of it should go to science students. This is not because arts people are not important. They're important. But we need to survive. We need to survive, not to be conquered again, not to be dependent.
I want to begin by welcoming you back to your alma mater, Makerere University. I would like to welcome all the visitors to the university, and I hope that you appreciate and enjoy your stay at Makerere University. Excellency, I just want to say that we want to thank you for the positive criticism you have given us whenever you come to Makerere University. And I hope that every time you come, you see that we have taken into account your criticism. The level of research that you have seen is at world-class level. And because of time, you actually saw only half of the exhibits. And that half is just a small part of all the research that is done in all the colleges. We want to thank you for the Research and Innovation Fund of 30 billion that you gave to the university. And I want to report that that money has come every year, except for a few years when the money has been cut for purposes of cash flow. But we would like really to request that that amount of money is given to us every year. As you have seen, there is a fire among our students and members of staff. They are passionate about what they are doing. They have responded to your call for Africans to wake up. And indeed, I believe you have seen that we have woken up. We are now doing research at the highest level, as I have said, and addressing national development challenges.
At this great occasion, the Makerere University Research and Innovation Week. This gathering is a demonstration of our nation's unwavering commitment to enhancing knowledge, science, and technology to drive socioeconomic transformation and sustainable development. Your Excellency, for over a century, Makerere University has been an inspiring knowledge, research, and leadership in Africa, with unwavering commitment to transformative and innovative teaching, learning, research, and service. Makerere University continues to respond dynamically to both national and global needs. With the establishment of the Makerere University Research and Innovative Funds, the government of Uganda, under your able leadership, Your Excellency, reaffirmed its dedication to investing in research that addresses our most pressing challenges and positions Uganda as a leader in innovation-driven development.